What is a blockchain? Does someone own it? Who maintains it? And most importantly, why would you care about it? What if I told you that in a way, you are the owner of the blockchain? You heard that right. And the answers to the rest of the questions might be equally surprising, so keep watching. In simple terms, the blockchain takes power out of the hands of a single authority and puts it into the hands of the people. It promises to solve all the problems that the internet could not, and creates a level playing field for you and me. Today, Japan, Canada, Dubai, and many more countries want to become blockchain nations and plan on using blockchain to transform their own economies and countries. And the list of reasons why these countries are moving towards blockchain technology is endless. But don't worry, we will cover all the points that will have a real-world impact on you. Let's start with the most well-known application of blockchain, which is cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies let you transfer money to anyone all over the world. Now you may think, why do I need a blockchain? I have been sending and receiving money for years without ever needing the blockchain. What you are forgetting is that the main function of Bitcoin is to remove third parties from the game completely. There is no middleman. This will save you time and money. And let's be honest, there is nothing as important as time and money. The blockchain completely changes the concept of trust, too. From centralized trust, we move to distributed trust. So now you don't have to trust banks to look over and execute your transactions. And funny enough, banks are the first ones to adopt blockchain technology because they know that the blockchain can destroy them. Without going into too much detail, let me just list the remaining industries that are being transformed as you are watching this video. All the way from agricultural industries to electricity to education, from dealing with car frauds to improve the voting system, from refining the food industry to the process of tracking packages and shipments. Over the next 15 years, the blockchain will eat up all of the contracts. Every contract used by an insurance company or a doctor or an artist over the next 15 to 25 years will be done on the blockchain. More information about smart contracts and how it may change the way you do business in the coming videos. Take a moment to imagine a man who, instead of covering his house with a roof and putting windows in his window frames, goes out in stormy weather and yells and judges and criticizes the wind, the clouds, and the rain. You would think that this man is insane. But that is exactly how the majority of the population is behaving right now. They criticize the new technology and the potential changes it brings. Let us not be that insane person and be smart and practical about this. Let us grow with the flow.
And real quick, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so because that is the easiest, cost-free way to support us.